The magical garden. In a small village, nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, lived a young girl named Emma. Emma loved spending time outdoors and had a special secret spot she liked to visit. A hidden garden behind her house. It was no ordinary garden, it was magical. One day, as Emma was playing near a sparkling stream, she noticed a glimmering butterfly fluttering before her. The butterfly led her deeper into the woods until they reached a hidden gate, covered in vines and flowers. Emma was curious and pushed the gate open. To her amazement, she found herself in a breathtaking garden filled with vibrant colors and enchanting creatures. In this magical garden, flowers could talk, and the trees whispered ancient secrets. Emma met a wise old owl who told her that this garden was a haven for all living beings. It was a place where animals and plants lived in harmony and could communicate with one another. The garden had its guardian, a friendly dragon named Spark, who watched over the harmony of the enchanted place. Spark and Emma quickly became close friends. They spent their days exploring the garden, learning from its wise inhabitants, and enjoying the beauty of nature. One afternoon, Emma noticed that some flowers were wilting, and the once blue pond had turned murky. Worried, she asked Spark what was happening. The dragon explained that the garden's magic was fading because people in the village had become disconnected from nature. They no longer appreciated the beauty of the world around them. Determined to save the magical garden, Emma decided to share its wonders with the villagers. She invited them to visit the secret garden, hoping they would rediscover their love for nature. The villagers were skeptical at first, but their curiosity got the better of them, and they followed Emma to the hidden gate. As they entered the garden, their eyes widened with amazement. The beauty and magic of the place touched their hearts, and they felt a connection to nature they had long forgotten. The flowers responded to their presence, and the pond sparkled with newfound clarity. From that day on, the villagers visited the magical garden regularly, bringing with them their families and friends. They learned to respect and protect the environment. Planting trees and caring for animals, the village became greener, and its people lived in harmony with nature. Emma's secret garden, once hidden from the world, became a symbol of hope and inspiration for everyone in the village. The magical bond between humans, animals, and nature grew stronger, and the enchanting garden remained a cherished place for generations to come.